What is up, Dietza? My name is Resbeast, Kid Break Central. When I'm speaking Serbian while I'm playing Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection. Check it out my Sragi video. What is that sign supposed to pitch it about TMM? Different action, huh? Borba! Let's try to look how the art to play. A boxing style match. Picture. Da, pomoću TMM! Pomoću TMM! Fire control mode, let's try itself. I was like a piece of slime, buddy. Oh my god, oh my bomb! Son!
You win. Get ready for the next battle. Round one.
Burba! Pomoću to show you!
Round two.
Pomoću to show you! Zločesti ti jebam ti sranje!
You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Oh my god!
Round one.
Budaj ti jebam. Temptress of the Buddha, wanna strike pitch it matena! Posuvaj ti jebam pitch it matena! Ovo strike them!
Round two.
Jebem ti stranje!
You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Yeah, yeah!
Round one.
Jackal stranje! Jackal stranje! Jackal this boy, I'm gonna play that thing for no reason. Patience this stranje!
You round two. You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Here we go! Siktir kangaroo ba TMM?
Round one.
Jackal, you beat the kangaroo on the slide. Oh my god, let's face on the slide, especially if you want to slide. Jackal, you Jackal. It's too slide hard! Bitch, get them out that thing! I give a sign all the powerful. or die Jackal will give us strength. Jackal. Oh my god, no, my ball, oh my ball! Oh, side devil! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I grazie preko! Let's take a break, you guys, on a video. Thanks for watching on Resby's Kid Break Central demonstration. I speak Serbian while I'm playing Tekken 5 Dark Resurrection demonstration along the test in Speaking Serbian edition. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, more likes, more subscribe, more comments. Resby's Kid Break Central. I'll see you on 4th of July, aka USA Independence Day. Support and petition.